Have you ever noticed something strange about pain? Not the dramatic kind. No movie music, no slow motion tears, but the quiet, everyday pain. The kind you keep going back to. A toxic relationship. A job you hate. Overthinking at 2 a.m. like it's a Netflix series you can't stop binge watching. Here's the weird part. If pain is so uncomfortable, why does it sometimes feel comfortable? Yeah, that question deserves a pause. Because logically, pain should push us away. But in real life, we sit with it. We protect it. Sometimes we even miss it when it's gone. Sounds crazy? Stay with me. Let's start simple. Imagine you've been wearing tight shoes for years. They hurt. Every step hurts. One day, you finally take them off. Instead of relief, your feet feel lost, awkward, unstable, almost unsafe. That's what emotional pain does. Pain becomes familiar, and the brain loves familiar things, even if they hurt. Your brain isn't designed to make you happy. It's designed to keep you safe. And safe to the brain means predictable. So if your life is always at stress, rejection, chaos, or emotional pain, your brain labels that as normal. Not good, just normal. That's why calm can feel boring. Peace can feel empty. And healthy relationships can feel suspicious. You ever meet someone who treats you well, and your first thought is, something's off. Why are they so nice? Yeah, that's your brain panicking. Because chaos makes sense to you. Pain becomes a routine. And routines feel like home. Here's another example. Ever had a bad habit you know is bad, but still do it? Late night scrolling, junk food, stalking your ex's profile just once every day for 6 months? You don't do it because it feels good. You do it because it feels familiar. Pain works the same way. When something hurts in a predictable way, your brain relaxes and says, ah, yes, I know this pain. I know how to survive this. But when something new comes, growth, change, uncertainty, the brain freaks out. New pain is scary. Old pain is manageable. That's why people stay in situations they complain about every single day. This job is killing me. This relationship drains me. My life feels stuck. And yet, they stay. Because leaving means stepping into the unknown. And the unknown is terrifying. Pain becomes comfort not because it feels good, but because it feels controlled. You know exactly how much it hurts. You know when it hurts. You know how to cope with it. It's like rewatching a sad movie you've already cried to. You know the ending. It hurts, but in a way you can handle. Now here's the part no one likes to admit. Sometimes pain gives us an identity. The heartbroken one. The struggling one. The strong one who's been through a lot. Pain gives meaning. It gives stories. It gives depth. So when pain leaves, there's a silence. And silence forces a scary question. Who am I without my pain? That question is uncomfortable. So we go back to what we know. But here's the truth. Quietly powerful and slightly annoying. Pain feels like comfort. Until it steals years of your life. At first, it's familiar. Then it's limiting. Then one day, you realize you've outgrown it. And that moment feels strange. Because choosing peace doesn't feel exciting. Choosing growth doesn't feel dramatic. Choosing better doesn't come with fireworks. It feels awkward, unfamiliar, almost boring. And that's how you know it's real. Healing isn't loud. Growth isn't cinematic. Comfort without pain feels calm. And calm takes time to get used to. So if you ever catch yourself missing what hurt you, staying where you suffer, or feeling weirdly attached to your struggles, don't judge yourself. Your brain was just doing its job. But now, you get to choose differently. because pain may feel like comfort. But it's only because you haven't stayed long enough in a life that doesn't hurt. And trust me, that kind of comfort is worth the adjustment.